after the second of
I'm
this.
gonna do a let's play probably, guys.
Yeah, let's play. That sounds good.
Yeah, I might do a let's play video, and I'm gonna name, I forgot what I named my video, and I think it was like the Scots, I don't know, but I named it, but it's gonna be
That's impossible
gonna
to
be
do.
Scott.
Oh, can I have a refund for these books or something? Can I trade with you? What is 9 books? A piece of armor? What's?
No, you have to get, it's
Can
like
I trade
armor
something?
up here.
Can I trade for something?
No, you have to go up here.
Can I trade?
Well, you only can place anvils too. Just anvils.
That's the only thing you can place. This is so hard.
Well,
Hey, that's my only way of getting up. You destroyer.
what? It's like butter. What? It's butter over here. Why don't you take butter stairways? I'm going to destroy the butter.
No, don't destroy it. I want to make fancy stairs. Fancy
Never.
stairs. Fancy stairs. Fancy stairs. Fancy stairs. Fancy stairs.
Guys, don't forget butter blocks because I'm just going to sit.
They're gold. For goodness
It's
sakes.
butter.
So shush for goodness sakes.
Butter, butter.
Butter stinks because it's not nothing.
Butter? You don't retreat butter like that in Sky that calls butter. And it's a butter mod.
Butter.
I want to get the butter mod.